This is a scientific paper video publication, A Brief History of Water on Mars, DiPietro Hypothesis. Mars was the third planet to drip off of our star planet maker. It was a molten drip of stardust, star waste, ice slush, and debris, aka all the elements of the universe. DiPietro Hypothesis. Our early sun had ice caps and cool spots with all the elements to create our solar system. DiPietro Hypothesis. Creating 4 terrestrial planets with water. As the ice melted on this molten red sphere, the water boiled and leveled out, covering the surface area of Mars, DiPietro Hypothesis. This is what Mars looked like when it dripped off our star planet maker, loaded with a slurry of ice, water, stardust, and star waste, DiPietro Hypothesis. After a few billion years, Mars started to cool down and the water started to evaporate and soak into the Martian lithosphere, DiPietro Hypothesis, leaving behind signs of flowing water throughout Mars. When this massive thermal vent, Olympus Mons, stopped, the planet cooled down and the water evaporated or was frozen in the rock crust. As the water seeped back into the planet, which was still hot, creating giant stardust mud craters. These are not impact craters, DiPietro Hypothesis. Valles Marineris is a simple expansion joint for a planet that doesn't have tectonic plates, DiPietro Hypothesis. This scientific paper is published via video on YouTube, A Brief History of Where the Water Came From on Mars, DiPietro Hypothesis. See the full DiPietro Hypothesis at www.edison.com. Stuart King music, Out of This World. Watch it again, let it soak in, DiPietro Hypothesis. Let it soak in.